Hello everyone, once again you are welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for coming to my channel today. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say thank you because I know you'll be joining us in this family. You are welcome. What did I bring to the table today? I brought this fruit natural soap. I mean natural soap. I made this soap with fruits. Yes, you heard me right. Natural fruits. You know the benefit of fruits in our body. What is good inside us as food is also good on our skin. You'll be seeing a lot of the fruits I use, and then look at it. You know the benefits of fruits. Of course, the various kind of fruits I use, that the one that produce this, and I decided to make different shapes. Look at them, so lovely. If this is what you want, let's dive into it and see how it went. Okay, these are the ingredients I use. I use cucumber, I use carrot, I use cabbage. The lettuce is there. What will you say? Do you think I will you say it's salad? Yes, so I want to prepare salad inside the soup. Okay, to be on the serious stage. Okay, you know the benefit of fruit. The fruits are very wonderful in our body, as they are good inside of us as food, so are they also good for our skin. Whatever goes into our body comes to our skin, and whatever goes into your skin also enter into your body. That is what you need to know. Whatever you are putting on your body, be it soap, be it cream, they are also reflecting in your body. So I made this fruit. You know, some of them are good for inflammatory, some of them are good for anti-aging and all those kind of things. So I decided to put them together so that we can use them in this our natural soap. And these are the remaining ones that I've cut, that I put: the garbage, the lettuce. Yes, the lettuce is also there. You can see it. You can see the carrot there. Yes, very good. Carrot is very good for the skin too. It's good for our eyes. It's good for every aspect of our health. So these are the things I'm putting together. And what is the next thing? Of course, I blended them together. I put them in my blender and then grounded them. This is the result of the grinding. Okay, thanks so much for staying till now. If you're yet to subscribe, why not just click on that subscribe button and join the family. Okay, here's the blended fruits, collection of fruits like this. This is the blended one. And so what will I be doing with this blended one? Will I use it like this, or what next do I do? No, I won't use it like this. Of course, I will have to strain the filtrate for me, the actual water for me, the shelf. Of course, I have to throw them away. You can see. So is the filtrate I actually need, that is the water in it. Okay, you can get your strainer, you can get a very fine cloth so that you will get just the fruit. If you took note of when I was blending it, I avoided much water because it's actually the fruit filtrate I want. So the water wasn't much. So it's the fruit that produce this filtrate itself. Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? Yes. So can you see? Imagine putting this on your body, on your skin when bathing. Even your skin will say thank you for using this kind of soap. Okay, so when you strain it like this, you squeeze it, it's just the filtrate we need. Okay, beside you can see my ebook. It's affordable. I have various recipes in it that you can try, practice at the comfort of your home. They're very simple and it's moderate. All the same, you can join our online free classes. On our online free classes, you can reach me on the number written on your screen. Okay, so this is the filtrate we'll be using. This is the water we'll be using for our production. So instead of using just any water, any ordinary water, we are going to use that filtrate. So it's in that filtrate I dissolve my caustic soda. This is the oil I'll be using. I have 350 grams of of oil, and then inside the filtrate I put caustic soda 46 gram, and then I'll be using the foam booster to boost it. Okay, I love the product of it. It came out so well. So you don't need to use distilled water, rather you use the filtrate from the fruit as your solvent. Okay, so the first thing you see me pour is a booster. I pour the foam booster inside the oil and mix. Okay, then I pour my caustic solution into it, and then you mix. At this time you must be very sure of what you are mixing. Don't let it form thick trace. Okay, so after mixing this, you can pour your fragrance, the fragrance of your choice, but please make sure you get the correct fragrance. If not, it can separate your soap. So at this moment, I will be teaching us later on some of the problems we face in soap making, and one of them is what you see me do. You can see that I'm really mixing it. Mix every aspect of it very well. Take your time. Some of them take time before they can mix very well, and if you don't mix it very well, you might not get excellent results. Have you watched to this extent? Please do like it, share it. I want to read from you in the comment section. Speak with me in the comment section. Be free to ask your questions, and I'll be there to attend to it. Okay, and of course there's a free online classes. You can reach me there with the number on your screen, and of course the link will be dropped in the comment section. Okay, so you can join us on the free class. Okay, so by this time your mold ought to be ready. Your mold should be by your side, because we are about to mold our soap. Okay, thank you so much for coming. I'm not taking you for granted. Each time I see you watch my video like this, I so much get excited. Please do share it, and when you share it, say it in the comment section. Share it. Let me know the people that are actually sharing my video. Just say shared, just say done. Okay, I will understand you. I appreciate you so much. Thanks so much. You are welcome once again. So waiting for the mode to reach. Okay, so you can use the mode of your choice. You know, this is tutorial, and this is why I'm using this kind of mode. That was how I was able to get different kind of shapes. You know, this one just an empty ordinary container which I decided to use as my mode. Okay, yes, just you can use your silicone mode, you can use your wooden mode, any type you want. It's your choice. Okay, I love the shape of this I use. Thanks so much. Okay, yes, I use a PKO. Yes, PKO. Yes, very good. You can see it. So we wait for it. When it's strong, we come back to show us the work we have done. Stop going for ordinary soap for your bathing. Use this kind of soap, and then you will see your body will be smooth, nice, and smelly nice. God bless you. Thanks so much for liking it, for sharing it, for commenting, and then I will see you in my next video, God willing. Okay, I will see you. Keep making progress, keep making profit. With this soap, when you pack it, I'll be teaching you on how to package in the next session. Okay, thanks so much, and then God bless. Wait, so have you subscribed? Thanks so much, and then look at the lovely shapes it's giving us. There we have this shape. What do I call this type of shape? I love it so much. I love it. Can you just imagine packing it with either nylon or the correct package? And look at this one, rectangular shape. Yes, pack it and begin to make your sales. Looking so lovely. I love the end of this result. I love it. Please do subscribe. Let me see your subscription, and then let me read from you. I want to read from you. I want to read from you. I want you to ask questions in the description section. Okay. I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.